Hi students, how are you all? I am very happy to meet you through this video session. I am S. Naveen Kumar, your computer science teacher from Bharadasana Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Now we are going to see in 11th standard computer application subject chapter number 6 introduction to word processor. In this session we are going to discuss the second part OpenOffice Writer. Okay. Here I recap the previous session. What are the concepts we are discussed in that previous session? So very simple concepts we are discussed. How to download a OpenOffice from internet, how to download with the help of internet web browser, okay, and how to install a OpenOffice. Now we are discuss OpenOffice Writer, okay. OpenOffice Writer, what is this writer? Writer means it is a text document. OpenOffice Writer means it is a text document. What is the usage of that particular text document? We want to create a textbook, question paper, study material. These are typed with the help of OpenOffice Writer. And what are the contents today discussed? Now, creating a new document. How will you create a new document? It's a very simple procedure to create a new document. What is the shortcut to create a new document? Yeah, very good. Shortcut is Control plus N. This is the shortcut key to create a new document. When some writer document is already opened or some spreadsheet or calc, whatever it may be, any of the other OpenOffice document is already open, you can use the shortcut key to create a new document, okay. In Windows 7 operating system, you can use Start, All Programs, OpenOffice and OpenOffice Writer, okay. Suppose if you are using Windows 10 operating system, you can use the Start button or you can use the search box, you can type OpenOffice, means it will be directly displayed on OpenOffice Writer, you can click it. And what are the parts, that means what are the elements present in that writer window, and next entering the text, how we can type some content in that particular writer window, and moving within a document. Moving within a document means we are not playing within a document. The insertion point will be moved from one place to another place, that can be discussed now. And saving the document. What is the purpose for save a document? Okay, it's a very simple, because we want to save a document, then only it can be referred in future. Yes, how? What is the shortcut to save a document? Very simple. What is the shortcut? That is Control plus yes, or you can use file menu and click save option, and these are the concepts are discussed now practically. Now we are going to see how to open a new OpenOffice Writer document. It is a very simple procedure. In Windows 10 operating system, you can double click on OpenOffice 4.1.7 shortcut icon in a desktop. Double click on that, it will open shortly. Here OpenOffice 4 applications are there, okay. Here first you can select a text document. The new OpenOffice Writer document is also called as a OpenOffice text document. The new document will be opened. This is the one of the way to open a document. Or another way to open a document, in search box you can type OPEN, open. Open means it will contain all that content. Here also OpenOffice Writer, you can select that OpenOffice Writer, it will be directly open on a OpenOffice Writer document, okay. You can select any one document, this is enough. Here this is the way to opening a OpenOffice Writer document, new document. Within that writer document we can open a new document again and again. You can use file menu. Here this is the menu bar. Above the menu bar, this is the title bar. Now we are discuss what are the parts of the window or what are the elements present in that particular OpenOffice Writer window. Okay, first one is the topmost one is title bar. The default name of a document is untitled one. This is the important one word answers. Okay, keep in your mind the default name of your OpenOffice Writer or OpenOffice Calc or whatever it may be, the default name is untitled one. That should be in the title bar. Okay, and in that rightmost top corner have three buttons. In that three buttons are minimize button and maximize button and close button, or it's also comes under restore button. How this button will be act as a two task. For example, you can click it the restore button. Here a single square box, it specifies a maximize. This maximize button is used to enlarge our screen up to the display screen size. And below the title bar we have a menu bar. Here how many menus are there? 9 menus are there. File, edit, view, insert, format, table, tools, window, help. And these menus are discussed later briefly. And how many menus are there now? Only 9 menus are there in a OpenOffice Writer window. And below the menu bar we have a toolbar. Okay, we have a toolbar. These two lines are represented as a toolbar. And below the toolbar you have a ruler. This is a horizontal ruler and this is a vertical ruler. What is the usage of this horizontal ruler and vertical ruler? Which is used to increase and decrease the margin size. We can use, when we can use the ruler, the user doesn't know the exact value of a margin. In that situation we can use a ruler. This horizontal ruler is used to change the margin of left and right, and the vertical ruler, this is the vertical ruler, and this vertical ruler which is used to change the top and bottom margin of a writer document. And below the some shapes are there. We have used insert these shapes. We want to insert these shapes in a particular document. Okay, and these are the properties of a particular icon and default properties of that particular icon. And this is the scroll bar. This is a vertical scroll bar which is used to move the document up and down. Scroll the document. Scrolling means movement. And this is the what? The horizontal scroll bar which is used to move a document. What? We want to move a document where? Right and left. Very good. Next, these are the status bar. These are the status bar. The status bar gives the information about page 1 bar 1 means how many pages are there in a document. For example, you can press continuously, you can press a enter. We have attached the study material in the below description and self-assessment question paper in the below description. You can go through the study material and after preparing that, and then you can evaluate yourself with the help of this study material and self-assessment question paper. Thank you students. We will see in the next session.